Okay, we're back. Close to an hour cleanup time. Cleaning the gasket. So, cams all fit together with everything on them. Still got drag in them. They don't like going this direction, they go this direction, but these are not how they lap together, so they're all in there. So I went and honed out the case race a little bit. I don't know if that's the new one or the old one in there. I don't remember. It's dirty, so I might as well make the case a little dirty before I clean it. Okay, so what we're going to do is see how this fits together. So we're going to go ahead and put all this stuff together. Do a mock-up. I see a little bit of red still on that one, so that goes there. Not that it really matters anymore, because I fixed the problem. Put the crack right there for a minute. Alright, so we have number 3. Number 1. Up there. Number 4. Number 2. Can't really tell if that's on the money or not, but I think that's where I've been putting it. So I can always go either direction. Dirty side is down. And we have a new mark now, remember? Can't even see the mark. What happened to it? Thought we marked it. Yeah. I know I scribed it, but there's enough other marks on there I don't see it. There's the marks of that. There it is right there. Hard to see. Yep. Just going to go through at least one more washing, so that'll probably disappear. Alright. That's still nice and free now. Okay. So you can see all the lap teeth in there. Nice gray tint to everything. I think it's all lapped in now. Let's see here. Gaskets fits. Okay. You see how nice these bushings look now? They're all, after I clean everything, it's all nice, highly polished looking finish on everything. Nice. And they fit nice too. It's even better. Let's see how good they fit though. Anybody can say they fit nice, but do they actually work? Kind of falls down. If you're getting lifted up and down, that means it's not binding very much. That's always a good sign. Okay, so now do a mock-up. This is not the final mock-up either. It's just one more mock-up on top of all the other mock-ups we've already had. We have lots of mock-ups on these jobs. Now, who's going to go back and count all the videos how many times this cover came off today? Just today, not last week or yesterday. Been off a few times. Just all the screws are starting to fit together nicely. This was the hard one. Even it's halfway decent now. Okay, torquing the center out. Okay, how's it work? That's a good sign. But are they all moving? So what we do is we look to see how many are moving by rocking the case back and forth. They're all that way. Number one's the hardest one. Yep. Yep. Comes down hard, goes up easy. It just goes right up, but coming down comes down hard. When you move number 2 up, man, the camera sucks right there. I can't see nothing. When you move number 2 up, whatever, screw it. When you move number 2 gear up with your finger, number 1 will drop down at the same time. So that's a good sign. So get that down there, you can see a little better. So you go up, push that one up, they both drop, see? So that means the teeth are rubbing against each other slightly. These ones are fine. Now, if you can rotate these with your finger, that's really good. They all spin nicely. Yeah, whenever you can rotate it, the cam set with your fingers, that is really, really well. That's a good sign. So that's really good. I'm happy. So you can see the cam's rotating around in there with my finger. See? No problem. I don't feel that high spot in there at all. So good. Now it's just a matter if you want to take all the side play out of everything, which I don't really care too much about. The one that really matters about in play is number 2 because the stripper's in there and it rotates back and forth as you go in and out. These other ones, they don't matter where they sit. They can be loose-a-goose. It makes no difference. So it's just a matter of strictly up to you how tight you want to make stuff. So you can see that one moves a little bit. There's about 15th thou in there maybe. See my fingers in the hole. That one's got a little bit more on it. Good 20. Yeah, this one. There it is. Yeah, let's do it pretty loose. So usually I pull like a 15 shim in there, or nothing closer than 10, but you know, thin ones are just a waste of time. All these chew up anyway, even the thick ones chew up. But anyway, at this point you can set the in play for all this if you want, because it's all mocked up how you're going to run it. So once you lay all the shims out, it's done for later. So I'm definitely going to shim up number 2 here, but I don't really. The other ones I'll probably throw 10 or 15 of those things. Probably 15 if I get any. Leave them at that. It's not that critical. So like I said, gravity, they all move back and forth. You can hear them going. Alright, so that's really, really good. So now I got to set up the pinion shaft bearing in here. One of the next things I got to do. And I got to address the hole plugs on the bottom down here. Damn finger. So these things have seen better days. So I'm talking over the customer. We're going to go ahead and JB weld these up and let them set, and then I'll surface them off. This one I'm going to have to tap out. This one here, I think we can leave it. So this has to go out to a 5/8 plug, which is an oil tank drain plug for Harley. So I'll end up putting one of those in there. But I'll spot face it off. So this area here, right here, will be JB weld. That gap right there, that low spot. Hopefully it'll stay put. And this one over here, you can see how far that's gone. That's really eaten out. So the thread will be good, but we'll just put JB weld all around it. So I'm going to put a tap in from this direction and re-tap back through it. First I got to make sure I can tap it through that way, and then I'll come back this other way. Alright, so that's all stuff I'll do here, and then tomorrow I'll JB weld all this up and let it sit over the weekend. Be back on it next week. I think today, yeah, whatever. Maybe Sunday. It's supposed to rain again Sunday, so I'll probably be down here working again. But anyway, so anyway, it took a few hours, but I got it done pretty good. I'm happy with that. So it's almost tomorrow. Another minute or two, it'll be fine. So it looks like it's about 5.5 hours of work there. There you go. Who's going to pay me that much money to fix their stuff? Probably not. Alright, that's it for tonight.